Now we'll take a look at a left outer join. And when we look at this, a lot of people, well, a lot of the time you get confused as to what left means. And then we're going to take a look at a right outer join. So what this means is, and the only thing I've changed in here is in this query between this one and the previous one is I changed the word inner to simply be left outer, and it's joining the same tables. And what it's going to do is it's going to return all the rows from table 1. And if there's a match in table 2, you will get the match. Otherwise, the table 2 columns will be shown as nulls. So for instance, in the example we looked at a minute ago, there were 2 people, Johnny and Karen, who did not have a favorite color, and they got left out when we did the inner join. But when we do this with the left outer join, they get included. And we'll take a look at that in the code right now. So all I did was change the word inner from the above query to just say left outer join. And you can see that the first batch of rows that we got back in the result set here, the ones I've just highlighted, are the exact same thing that we saw when we did the inner join. But the 2 at the bottom, Johnny and Karen, who were missed on the inner join query, got included because of the use of the left outer join. And with that, because there's nothing they matched in the favorite colors table, the columns that come back from the favorites colors table just get simply put in there as null. That can be handy, for instance, if you had a list of employees, let's just pretend that's what this was, and you were going to print up like company shirts and you wanted to get their favorite color on their company shirt, you could run a query and maybe the answer was if somebody doesn't have a favorite color, they get a green shirt. In that case, if you did an inner join, you would have missed Johnny and Karen and they wouldn't have got their t-shirts printed this way. Where if you do the left outer join, you can include those people even though they don't have a favorite color. And I've seen so many times where somebody will have a set of data, they do an inner join, and then they wonder where are all these other people or why are these people missing? Well, it's because they did an inner join to something that was an optional table or optional field, and they got dumped out of the result set where the left outer join would allow them to be included. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.